We will have 25 questions, and we will discuss these questions in detail. And we have the first question here, and the question is: in the following questions, a part of the sentence may have errors. Find out which part of the sentence has an error. Select the appropriate option. If a sentence is free from error, select no error. So Hema, hello smart pen. Hema does not has to give the dissertation to me. So answer करिए in which part there is an error. चलिए comment your answers for question number first. Comment your answers for question first. Hema does not has to give the dissertation to me. So Hema is the subject. Okay, does is a primary verb, and as we know, we always prefer base form of the verb. Base form of the verb with primary verb. So change this has to have. Okay, so have is the base form and has is the derived form of have. Okay, so the correct sentence will be Hema does not have to give the dissertation to me. So error was in part number A. Now next question: in the following question some part of the sentence may have errors. Find out which part of the sentence has an error. Select the appropriate option. If a sentence is free from errors, then select no. So we have a question: my mother has grey hairs. Comment your answers for question number second. Question number second का आंसर करें स्मार्ट पेन में. And please mention the question. If you are answering the question, then mention the question like 2.1. It means answer is 1 for question number 2. Like this. And do like the session, share the session. Do like and share. In the following question, some part of the sentence may have errors. Take a find out which part of the sentence has an error. So my mother is the subject. According to my mother, the verb has is also correct. It is also used in singular form, and the object of has verb is grey hairs. Here in the sentence, we are using a noun hairs. So hairs is an uncountable noun. Is an uncountable noun, and we cannot make plural of it. So remove this s from here. So the correct sentence will be my mother has grey hairs. Grey hair. Next question is question of fourth. In the following question, some part of the sentence may have errors. Find out which part of the sentence has an error and select the appropriate option. If a sentence is free from error, select no error. Once you graduated, get a job would be easier. Once you graduated, get a job would be easier. So comment your answers for question number 4. What should be the correction? Comment your answers for question number 4. Do like the session, share the session. So once you graduate, get a job would be easier. So what would be easier? Getting a job. Okay, get a job. So we have used get as a verb, but we require a subject here. So we will use a non-found verb, and we will use gerund. Gerund as a noun, and the gerund is fourth form of the verb, that is getting. So getting a job would be easier. So get nahi hoga, it should be getting. So replace get with getting. Next one is question number 5. In the following question, the sentence is given with blank to be filled in with an appropriate word. Select the correct alternative out of the four and indicate it by selecting appropriate option. So we have a question, each item was sold dash a pound. So fill it with the appropriate preposition. We have four prepositions, at, for, in, of. Comment your answers for question number 5. Comment your answers for question number 5. So each item is a noun and it is used in singular form, and each determinant is correct for us. Okay, was sold, was helping verb, sold is third form of the verb. Okay, and here we are talking about substitution. Substitution means we are exchanging a pound with the item. Okay, a pound with the item, and we use for preposition while we talking about substitution. So it should be each item was sold for a pound. So option number second will be the correct answer for question 5. Next one is question number 6. In the following question, the sentence is given with blank to be filled in with an appropriate word. Select the correct alternative out of the four and indicate it by selecting the appropriate option. Be just dash fear nothing. Be just dash fear nothing. Comment your answers. Comment your answers for question number 6. Be just dash fear nothing. Question number 6. So we have a conjunction but. So but conjunction is used for representing that statement which is contrary. But in this sentence we are not talking about any contradiction. So this one is wrong. We use while for referring some time, and the time written in progression tense. So this is also wrong. Until is also used for time. Okay, and until is a conjunction. Okay, which is used for certain time. Okay, for certain time, but in this sentence we are not talking about any time, not any contradiction. So we will use and conjunction. We will use and conjunction. So it should be just and fear nothing. Next one is question number 7. In the following question, the sentence is given with blank to be filled in with an appropriate word. Select the correct alternative out of the four and indicate it by selecting the appropriate option. He came 2 hours dashes. He came 2 hours dashes. Please fill the sentence with the appropriate word. Comment your answers for question number 7. So we have a word us. Us is an objective case of pronoun we. Okay, so we have to use here a preposition. So ago is an adverb. Ahead is also an adverb. Above is also a preposition, but when we talk about limit, then we use above. In this sentence, we are talking about a time. Then we will use before preposition. And us will be the object of this preposition before. So it should be he came 2 hours before us. Question number 8. Sorry. Question number 8. In the following question, the sentence is given with blank to be filled in with an appropriate word. Select the correct alternative out of the four and indicate it by selecting the appropriate option. Sunana said She is sick dash the whole business. Mark your answers with appropriate preposition by, of, for, with. Comment your answers for question number 8. So Sunana said she is sick. Sick of something is the correct phrase. Okay. So we always use sick of something. Okay. So second will be the correct answer. Next one is question number 9. A sentence has been given in active or passive voice. Out of the 4 given alternatives, select the one which best expresses the same sentence in passive or active voice. We saw you and him. We saw you and him. We have 4 options and you have to comment the answer. Change the sentence into passive voice. Identify the verb and make it passive. Then match that in the answers given, in the options given. So in this sentence we have a verb saw. Saw is the second form of the verb, and we will get a passive voice of this verb as was or were seen. Okay. So we have 2 objects, you and him. Then we will use were seen. Okay. So where is were seen? Here, here, here also, and here also. Okay. So both of you is incorrect. Okay. Because we have object you and him, then in active the subject will be you and he. You and he. So identify this. You, where is you and he? It is a part first. So option number 1 will be the correct answer. Okay. Next one is question number 10. A sentence has been given in active or passive voice. Out of 4 given alternatives, select the one which best expresses the same sentence in active or passive voice. Tom painted the entire house. Identify the verb, make it passive, and check in which option you find that passive voice. Comment your answers for question number 10. Tom painted the entire house. Painted is second form of the verb, and its passive voice will be was painted or were painted. Okay. So we have an object, the entire house. Then we will prefer was painted. So here is was painted. Here is painted. So this one is wrong. Here is were painted. Then also this one is wrong. Here is painted. Then this one is also wrong. So option number first will be the correct answer. So this way you can do these type of questions within 5 to 10 seconds. Question number 11. Sentence has been given in active or passive voice. Out of the 4 given alternatives, select the one which best expresses the same sentence in passive or active voice. The sentence has viewed the comet. Sorry, the science class viewed the comet. Comment your answers for question number 11. Comment your answers for question number 11. Science has viewed the comet. So we have a verb. Again, we have a verb viewed, second form. And its passive voice will be was viewed or were viewed. Okay. And the subject is the science class. This will be the object of by preposition, and here the object will be the subject in passive voice. So according to the comment, we will prefer was viewed. So this one is wrong. Okay. So check the answers. So this one is also wrong. Was viewed is here. So this can be the answer. Is being viewed. This one is also wrong. Is viewed. This one is also wrong. So option number second will be the correct. Next one is question number 12. In the following question, out of the four given alternatives, select the one which best expresses the meaning of the given word. And the word we have distinct. Distinct का आपको क्या करना है? Synonym. So obscure, similar, clear, vague. Comment your answers for question number 12. In the following question, out of the four given alternatives, select the one which best expresses the meaning of the given word. Distinct. So distinct means we can say recognizably different in nature. Okay. From something else, or we can say of a similar type. Obscure means not discovered. Okay, or we can say uncertain. Similar is we can say आपका having resemblance, ठीक है, in appearance, in character, okay, or we can say without being identical. Clear means easy to perceive, or we can say understand, we can say easy to interpret. Sorry. Vague we can say thinking or communicative in an unfocused or imprecise way. Okay. So in this way, we have a synonym of distinct is option number third, that is clear. Question number 12. So third will be the correct answer. Okay. So next question is question number 13. In the following question, out of the four given alternatives, select the one which best expresses the meaning of the given word. Condemned का आपको बताना है, ओके, सिनोनिम बताना है, अप्रूव, लॉर्ड, बिलिटल और आपका कमेंट. आंसर इट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. So strongly say that something is wrong, or we can say something is very bad, or someone is very bad, or आपका someone is wrong. Okay, that is condemn. Approve, we can say to be pleased about something, or we can say to like something, or to like somebody. Lord we can say praise. Belittle मतलब आपका to make somebody or something he or she does, ठीक है, seem unimportant, or we can say not very good. So option number third will be the correct synonym for question number 13. So C will be the correct answer. Belittle will be the correct answer. That will be correct synonym for condemn. Next one is question of 14. In the following question, out of the four given alternatives, select the one which is opposite in meaning of the given word. Confined. Confined we can say a small place, ठीक है, where we keep animals, ठीक है, or we can say a person, okay, usually in a small place, okay, that is confined. Permit we can say to allow somebody to do something. Restrain we can say to keep somebody or something under control. Okay, so this one is a synonym, and we have to identify the antonym. Okay, restrict, same to put someone or something in a limit, or we can say on a limit. Imprison is also related to put or keep in prison. Okay, so for confined the correct synonym will be permit. All others are its synonym. So antonym is permit. So option of first will be the correct answer. Next one is question of 15. In the following question, out of the four given alternatives, select the one which is opposite in meaning of the given word. We have a word defeat. Defeat. Defeat, we can say to win a fight, to win a game, okay, to win a vote, okay, against somebody, or we can say to beat somebody. Clear? So this one is the synonym. Attainment, we can say the act of achieving something, the act of achieving something. Collapse, collapse मतलब होता है आपका to fall down or break into pieces suddenly. Loss, we can say the state of no longer having something. Okay, तो इट मीन जो था अब नहीं है, ठीक है. ओके, द स्टेट ऑफ नो लॉन्गर हैविंग समथिंग. ओके, सो दैट इज लॉस. सो डिफीट का एंटो अपोजिट हो जाएगा आपका ऑप्शन नंबर सेकंड, दैट इज अटेनमेंट. ओके, सो सेकंड विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर. Next one is question number 16. In the following question, out of the four given alternatives, select the alternative which best expresses the meaning of the idiom or phrase. Do comment the answer. Comment the answer for question number 16. And do like the session. Do like the session. Comment the answer. Okay, what should be the answer? Ball in is in your court. Okay, so this means it is up to you to decide something. So fourth will be the correct answer for question number 16. Okay, next one is question number 17. In the following question, out of the four given alternatives, select the alternative which best expresses the meaning of the idiom or phrase. Last straw. Comment your answers. Last straw. Do like the session. Okay, guys, do like the session, share the session. So लास्ट स्ट्रॉ का मीनिंग क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे? सो लास्ट स्ट्रॉ मीन्स लास्ट प्रॉब्लम इन द सीरीज ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम. एक प्रॉब्लम की सीरीज है और उस सीरीज में लास्ट वाली प्रॉब्लम मतलब आपका लास्ट स्ट्रॉ. Next one is question number 18. So in the following question, out of the four given alternatives, select the alternative which best expresses the meaning of the idiom or phrase. Back to square one. We have an idiom back to square one, and you have to identify which of the following alternatives or which of the following options is the best expression for the meaning of this idiom or phrase. Comment your answers for question number 18. Back to square one. Do like the session and also share the session. Back to the square one. So back to square one means to go back to the beginning, or we can say to go back at its original position. Okay, so A will be the correct answer. Next one is question number 19. In the following question, out of the four alternatives, select the alternative which will improve the bracketed part of the sentence. In case no improvement is needed, select no improvement. We have the statement this, and the bracketed part is from here. Modern furnitures will be sold, here it ends, in the main market. So comment the answer for question number 19. Comment your answers for question number 19. So we have used positive case of noun, which is positive case of a noun is always used an adjective. Okay, and adjective is also used to describe a noun. But here in this sentence, furnitures is used as an adjective, but it is not describing any noun. So this positive case is wrong. So it should be this modern furniture will be sold. So option number A will be the correct answer. Next one is question number 20. In the following question, out of the four alternatives, select the alternative which will improve the bracketed part of the sentence. In case no improvement is needed, select no improvement. My boss have been given me a lot of work. Comment your answers for question number 20. फटाफट से कमेंट करेंगे सभी लोग क्वेश्चन नंबर 20. My boss having been given me a lot of work. So my boss is a subject and it is used in its singular form. So we will use a verb which is in a singular form. Was being given is in passive voice, but it is wrong because my boss is the subject. Then the statement should be in active voice. So this one is wrong. This one is also wrong. So third one will be the correct answer. Has been giving. It means we are talking about present perfect continuous tense. Question number 21. A sentence has been given in direct or indirect speech. Out of the four given alternatives, select the one which best expresses the same sentence in indirect or direct speech. What time does the train arrive? She asked. So comment your answers for question number 21. ट्वेंटी का आंसर करेंगे सभी लोग. So what time does the train arrive? She asked. She asked. It means she inquired. Okay, she asked. So this one is wrong. She said, when does the train? This one is also wrong. Okay, so we will use inquired verb in place of asked. Okay, so she inquired at what time the train arrived. So option of first will be the correct answer. Next one is question number 22. A sentence has been given in direct or indirect speech. Out of the four given alternatives, select the one which best expresses the same sentence in indirect or direct speech. He said, I must work hard. He said, I must work hard. Comment your answers for question number 22. So he said, and we have no listener here. Okay, so we use said as it is said. Okay, so told is wrong. Was going is also wrong. Said, and we have used that in place of these inverted commas. So this one is correct. Here that is not present. So this one is also wrong. So third will be the correct. Next one is question number 23. A sentence has been given in direct or indirect speech. Out of which four given alternatives, select the one which best expresses the same sentence in direct or direct speech. He said, my sister is writing letter to my uncle. What should be the answer for question number 23? 23. So he said, my sister. He said, my sister. So we remove commas and we will add that. Okay. So this one is correct. He is the speaker. So according to he, it will change to his sister. Her sister is wrong. Told is also wrong. Okay. And said to me is also wrong. Okay. So which one will be the A will be the correct. We will have a paragraph. Okay, read it first, then we will start answering the questions. Okay, so from here to here, for most people music is an important part of a daily life. This is correct. Some rely on music to get them through the morning commute, while others turn up a favorite playlist to stay pumped during a workout. तो कुछ मॉर्निंग में सुनते हैं, कुछ आपका प्लेलिस्ट फेवरेट प्लेलिस्ट प्ले करते हैं जब वो आपका वर्कआउट करते हैं ताकि वो पंप रहें, ठीक है। Many folks even have the stereo on when they are cooking a meal, अच्छा, taking a shower, folding the laundry। तो लोग कब कब यूज़ करते हैं? खाना बनाते हुए, शावर लेते हुए, फोल्ड करते हुए लॉन्ड्री को। तो ये सब जो आपकी डेली रूटीन है, इनमें क्या होता है, म्यूज़िक सुनते सुनते लोग क्या करते हैं, ये एक्शन परफॉर्म करते हैं। म्यूज़िक इज़ ऑफन लिंक टू मूड। तो म्यूज़िक है वो ऑफन क्या होता है, आपका लिंक्ड होता है किससे? मूड से। A certain song can make us feel happy, sad, energetic, or relaxed. Because music can have such an impact on a person's mindset and well-being. It should come as no surprise that music therapy has been studied for use in managing numerous medical conditions. Okay. All forms of music may have therapeutic effects, although music from one's own culture may be most effective. ओके, मतलब अपने कल्चर से रिलेटेड म्यूजिक हो वो ज़्यादा इफेक्टिव होता है। इन चाइनीज मेडिकल थ्योरी द 5 इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स एंड मेरिडियन सिस्टम्स आर बिलीव्ड टू हैव करस्पॉन्डिंग म्यूजिकल टून्स विच आर यूज टू एनकरेज हीलिंग। सो थेरेप्टिक तरीके से हम क्या कर लेते हैं, म्यूजिक को यूज़ कर, मतलब एज अ थेरेपी की तरह हम क्या कर लेते हैं, म्यूजिक को यूज़ कर देते हैं, ठीक है, इन मैनेजिंग न्यूमरस, बहुत सारे मेडिकल कंडीशंस को मैनेज करने के लिए। चलिए, so question of first is music is often linked to, so it is mentioned here, so music is often linked to mood, so second will be the correct answer. Question number second is how is music an important part of life? So we use music while performing daily routine actions, okay, so option number third will be the correct answer. It helps in our daily activities. Next one is question number third. Which of the statement is true? Concert tree. All forms of music may heal wounds. Okay. All forms of music may have good effect. All forms of music may be soothing. All forms of music may have therapeutic effects. So this one is correct. Here it is written. Chali. Next one is question of fourth. How can music be used as a therapy? So here it is mentioned. Where is yeah, this is here. So in managing numerous medical conditions, so option number second will be the correct answer. Last question is in Chinese medical theory, the 5 internal organs and meridian systems are, so ये है आपका आंसर, corresponding musical tunes. So this is in fourth one. Okay, so these are 25 questions. We have discussed all questions in detail.